Welcome to today's guide on managing keywords in the comments filter on Instagram using your PC. With the latest update, Instagram has made it easier than ever to keep your comment section tidy and free from unwanted spam or offensive language. Let's walk through the steps to set this up effectively. First, open Instagram on your PC. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access all the necessary features. Next, look for the More icon located on the left side menu of your screen. This icon typically appears as 3 horizontal lines or dots, depending on your interface. Click on it to expand the menu options. Once the menu is open, navigate to Settings. This is where you will find various options to customize your Instagram experience. Click on it to enter the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, find and select Hidden Words. This section allows you to manage comments that contain specific words or phrases that you want to filter out from your posts. Now, it's time to manage custom words and phrases. Click on the option that says Manage Custom Words and Phrases. Here, you can add or remove any keywords that you want to filter. This feature is particularly useful for blocking repetitive spam messages or any language that does not align with your community standards. In the provided box, simply type in the keywords or phrases you wish to block. Make sure to separate each keyword with a comma for proper filtering. If there are any words you want to remove from this list, you can do that here as well. After you have added or removed your desired keywords, click on Submit to save your changes. Instagram will now automatically hide comments containing any of the words or phrases you've specified. By following these simple steps, you can take control of your comments section and create a more positive environment for your followers. Remember, regularly updating your list of keywords can help keep spam at bay and maintain meaningful interactions on your posts. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your social media presence effectively.